I'm just saying. This highlight right here is popping, honey. You know how I feel about wearing wigs at church. You like those highlights, sis? Huh? This is sale season, baby. You feel me? Razzle dazzle. Yeah. I love when a wig feels legit. Oh, okay. I like it too, girl. Y'all, this is so pretty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. nights feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? The old kind of new way. Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just
Alright, y'all, so this is the final result of this baddie headband wig. Y'all, this is so pretty. Okay, so I just want to give you the details of this hair so that you know where I got it, you know what it is. This headband wig is from Wiggins hair. I reviewed their hair before. I've always been very impressed with them, so I definitely wanted to try another one of their units, and here we are. How y'all like it? How y'all like it? You like those highlights? You like those highlights, sis? Huh? What'd you say? Oh, okay, I like it too, girl. I'm gonna tell you something. As cute as these highlights are in this wig, what I like the most about it is how it feels. It's a winner. It is a winner. I love when a wig feels legit. Not only is it legit, but it's too legit to quit. It is. Let me tell you what this is. Y'all be getting me off topic sometimes, and I can't. Okay, so this is their 16-inch highlight coily headband wig. Let me be very clear that the juicings that I love to do, you don't need to do that. You literally can plop this bad boy on and go. Personally, when it comes to curly hair, sometimes I just like it. I like it after I juice it and just let it dry. That's just my thing. That's just what I like to do, you know. This is definitely lazy girl approved, definitely busy day approved, definitely I'm late for church approved. With the clips in though. You know how I feel about wearing wigs at church. So yes, lazy girl approved, busy day approved, late for church approved, late for work approved, going to the party approved, date night with your man approved. Put them clips in. I'm just saying. This is human hair. They have different color selections. This particular color is 017, okay? So if you're looking for this, it's 017. You also get 2 free headbands. They're randomly selected. 5 headbands randomly selected for $5. They also give you a choice in textures. You can get straight, body wave, loose, deep wave, natural wave, curly, kinky, straight, coily. This can be put in a low pony. This wig is great for those who like color, highlights, but you don't want to do it. Like, you don't want to highlight it yourself. I get it. I so get it. I so get it. Bam. You don't have to do it. They do the work for you, send it to you, and then you just slay. That's it. Well, pay for it and then slay. Let me bring this. This highlight right here is popping, honey. Like, hello. This highlight right here is razzle dazzle. Yeah. So I'm gonna put her off in the front seat because she want to show out. I'm gonna let her show out. I'm gonna let her show out. Let me give her a shine. If you're going to juice it like I did, do it the day before you need it. So that way you can hang it up upside down and let it air dry all night long. And when you wake up, your pretty little head will be ready to slay these gorgeous, soft, voluptuous curls in seconds. It's literally just a matter of bloop. I'm done. Y'all ready? Oh, that's okay. I'll wait for y'all. I'm done though. You know, around this time of year, everybody's having a sale right now, so make sure you check the links in the description box. Don't miss your opportunity. If you want to try wigs like this, sometimes the coin is out of your budget. I get it. This is the time. I'm telling you, this is the perfect time of year now. This is the way. When the other price, you're just not gonna pay. This is sale season, baby. You feel me? If y'all have questions about this unit or about anything, life in general, you know, whatever you want to talk about. If you just want to say, hey girl, hey girl, hey. All my new subscribers, what's up? Y'all in the building subscribing. Y'all better subscribe. I know that's right. My day ones, you know I got nothing but love for you. I love y'all. Oh, y'all so consistent. I love it so much. I love it. Y'all so legit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family and join the fun. Y'all be sweet, be good, be safe. And in the meantime, in between time, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Bye-bye.